Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are here. So simply tap on this 3 bars icon, and as you can see, the second bar here is connected to the timer. We've got 4 different options. Right now we've got the timer turned off, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the option like to use, and as you can see, it is highlighted in this yellow color. So after tapping on it, it means that it has been immediately applied. We can go back to the camera. We do not have any icon which will show us that we've got the timer, but after tapping on the shutter button, we can see that from now on the device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so basically this is it. All of the options, other options like 3 and 5 seconds delay will work the same. Just tap on it and tap on the shutter button. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this clock icon, and as you can see, since it is highlighted in this light gray color, it means that the timer has been turned off, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.